channel. This is Crazy Cubers. Welcome to my new video. So guys, as I told you that I will solve this 4x4 Rubik's Cube. So guys, now this is the video in which I will solve 4x4 Rubik's Cube. So guys, now I am scrambling this cube. Please like this video, share this video and comment this video, and also subscribe our channel and follow me on my social media handles. Link is given in description box. So guys, let's get started. Guys, now I am scrambling this cube. I have made the unboxing video also of this cube. You can watch that also. Link of that video is given in description. I am closing my eyes. I think guys it is scrambled now. So guys, now I am watching the positions. Alright guys, let's get started. So guys, I am solving that cube. It will take me around 2 minutes. Around 2.5 minutes. I am solving it in many days because that cube got destroyed. And now that cube cannot be used. I will use it in only videos so that it will not be broken. Guys, I solved this cube in 2 minutes and 35 seconds. So guys, next video I will post of Republic Day, as Republic Day is coming, and this is also the special video. Please watch it. I will post it at 25 January 12 midnight. So guys, please follow me on my social media handles, and link is given in the description box. Please like this video, share this video and comment this video, and also subscribe our channel. So guys, bye bye.